InPro 3D Trim brings you endless style options with maximum protection. 3D Trim is offered in the following profiles: inside and outside corners, horizontal and vertical boards, and decorative moldings, which can be mixed and matched to create a wide array of designs. 3D Trim can be used as a top cap on matching Palladium rigid sheet or as a creative contrast with Ricochet flexible wall protection. Horizontal boards can be used on their own for a chair rail and wall base, or incorporate additional moldings to give the space a unique look. 3D Trim's durable design prevents material from bowing or chipping, and is available in all Palladium rigid sheet finishes. Like real wood, it is easy to measure, cut, and install in the field. Visit inpro.com to view information about standard lengths and style options.